Hello. Project in Touch Guru, Markets. Thank you for paying attention to us. Now we will analyze the current performance of the company BLACKROCK Inc., ticker BLK. This review was created using current data as of July 15, 2024. By classification Guru, Markets company BLACKROCK Inc. belongs to the subcategory. Investors, 84 companies take part in the assessment, and this is very representative. Let's start with summary data for the company. If you're interested, you can pause the video. We suggest studying each parameter of the corporation carefully. Access to the table with the ticker structure is free. Market capitalization of the company BLACKROCK Inc. valued at $123.04 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $642 billion. BLACKROCK Inc. has a share of 19.156% and is one of the large companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $39.65 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $184 billion. BLACKROCK Inc. constitutes a share of 21.527%. Comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Share BLACKROCK Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 19.156%. The book value is 21.527%. This is 12% more than the share of the exchange value. Assessment of the company's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The analyzed organization's debt obligations amount to $11.498 billion. Debts to balance sheet capitalization amount to 29% of the company's capital. Score on the company's debts. Good, 1 point. Balance of a company's stock price to its profit 21. With an average for the subcategory of 30.6, this is 31% lower than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $5,918 million. Projected earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $6,846 million. Which is 15.7% more than at the current moment. An assessment of projected future profit performance in comparison with in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 6.4. The subcategory average of 4.9 is 31% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of market value to revenue indicators in comparison with indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, minus 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $19,150 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $22,150 million. Which is 16% more than the current figure. Assess projected future sales performance against subcategory performance. Good, 0.5 points. If you are interested in our analytics, we kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. The sales margin is 30.9%, with an average in the subcategory of 16.1%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 14.8%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 26.245%. This is a 37% increase in market capitalization share. And this reflects the imbalance in the current exchange value of the organization BLACKROCK Inc., probably towards underestimation. The amount of capital for each employee of the organization is equal to $6,214,000. Whereas for the subcategory $8,513,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 27%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The profit per individual employee is $298,900. With an average in the subcategory of $278,400. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 7%. Estimation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $967,000. In the subcategory $1,726,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 78%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions is 1.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 2%. This is an assessment of the possible risk of a short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 72% for the company BLACKROCK Inc. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 60%. On average, securities in the subcategory are rated lower than BLACKROCK Inc. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares BLACKROCK Inc. and subcategory shares. We can see that over the last 12 months the stock BLACKROCK Inc. showed a dynamics of 14.1%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 11.8%. This clearly does not indicate anything, but we must take note of this fact. The overall result is as follows, 5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 2.2 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we can note that the average score for the stock market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against the company's 5-point rating BLACKROCK Inc. Let's go to the order table, which is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made by the information and reference evaluation system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company BLACKROCK Inc. Information and Reference Assessment System Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Do not open an order due to BLACKROCK Inc. not an underrated company in the subcategory. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the help system from Guru.Markets. You truly are the most excellent audience.